this video, let's talk about if statement in Python. Now let's start this IDE of Python. Okay, click this. Now let's make this in the right side. Now let's create a new file here. Okay, now let's start writing if statement. Okay, let's first declare variable. X is 5. If X is equal to 5, then colon print it is 5. Okay, else print it is not 5. Okay, save this with file name. Where is my folder? Okay, Python. Okay, if dash y. Py is the extension for Python file. Okay, this is the if statement. Now let's execute this. Now you can say it is 5. Now let's add some more statement. If the condition evaluates to true, we have to show some more lines. Okay, now we will be writing print it is odd number. Okay, similarly we can write another statement here also. It is nothing. Okay, simple. Save this. Now here what we have to remember while writing if statement or for statement, while statement or functions is the indentation, that is the number of spaces. In Python, number of spaces are used to specify a block of statement. In programming language like Java, C, C++, JavaScript, PHP, there is use of curly brackets to specify block of statement. But in case of the Python, there is no curly braces, so in Python, number of spaces or indentation is used to specify block of codes. Here, this is a block of code which will be executed if this condition evaluates to true. If the value of X is 5, then these two statements will be executed. These two print statements are part of the same block. How we can know is, for both of these print statement, the number of spaces left at the beginning are same. Okay, in first statement and in second print statement, the number of spaces left are same. Similarly, in case of the else part, also the number of spaces left at the beginning of print for this statement and number of spaces left at the beginning of this print statement are same. That means both these two print statements belong to same block. Similarly, these two print statements which will be evaluated if the condition is true are part of the same block. So in this Python, indentation is used to specify block of codes. Okay, now let's save this. Now let's execute this. Now we can see 5 and odd number both are coming because these two prints are part of the same block. If we change the number of space here, it will be error. Okay, it will be error. Okay, now I can execute this here and see invalid syntax. Okay, so in order to make this correct, I have to make the number of spaces equal to both of these print statement. Okay, now let's save this. Now it will work. Run module. Okay, now what you have to remember is, if we want to make a block of statement, then the block of statements should be specified with number of spaces. We have to leave at least one space at the beginning of each statement. What I can do is, okay, here no space, no space. Now this is syntactically wrong. So because I want certain statement to be executed if this condition evaluates to true. So certain statements means a block of statements should be executed. So in order to specify the block, I have to leave at least one space here at the beginning of both print statement. If there is one print, even in that case, we have to leave at least one space before this print statement. Okay, this will fine, this will execute properly. We can see it is 5, it is odd number. Now let's change the value of 5x to 51. Now the else part will be executed. Run module. Now we can say it is not 5, it is nothing. Here we can see the space because I have left space here. Before this there is a space, so in the output also you can see the space here. Now let's write another if. For that, let's have one more variable, y is equal to 44. If X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 44, logical operator, and print 5 and 44. Now strings are enclosed either in double quote or in single quote. If you have started with a single quote, it must be terminated with single quote. If we have started with double quote, it must be terminated with double quote. Here I am using single quote. So in order to specify strings, either we use double quote or single quote. Remember that. Now it is not compulsory to write the else. Now let's execute this. Run module. Now you can see it is nothing. Now this condition evaluates to false, so it is not giving me anything, and there is no else part, okay, because the value of 5x is 51, not 5, so this is false. So when we use false and true, it returns false, so this is not executed. Now let's write the else part for this. Else print, let's suppose we want to print hello world. Now hello world will be displayed. Run module. Now we can see hello world is there because this condition evaluates to false. Now let's write one more statement here. Print hi. Now let's just write something here. Okay, we can declare variable here also. Sum is equal to x plus y, print sum, then comma sum. Now this condition evaluates to false, so we will be taken to the else. Okay, this is a block of statements and that block is part of else. Okay, for this if, this is the else, and these three statements are part of this else block. Okay, so because all of these three statements are having same spaces, same indentation, same number of spaces are left in all of these three statements. Now let's save this. Now let's execute this. Run module. Now you can see hello world and sum 95. When we add 51 and 44, we will get 95. So in this way we can write if statement in Python. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like my video, kindly like it, share it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you very much.